to make a snowflake. Because it's going to be a mess. So what we're going to make is snowflakes. And you see I have a sheet of paper and some scissors. We need to fold the paper this way. And then you do that. Then you fold it this way. You see the things that we folded? That's where we're going to cut. Then you cut the other one. You see this? I will fold all of these just like we did to cut them. There's one. You don't have to do all of these, just letting you know. You can do one at a time. But I'm going to do all of them. My pajamas are snowman pajamas, and why I was wearing them because they have snowflakes, and what we're making is snowflakes. Now watch what I'm going to do. See the snowflake? Want to open it? You don't have to copy me of doing the snowflakes. You can do the snowflakes any shape you want. If you can make hearts, you can do hearts. It would be pretty tricky if you wanted to do tricky. You can cut in any design in a snowflake. A diamond design. Like a pattern or
Where did you learn how to do this?
From my grandma. And then I actually learned how to make them smaller from me. Let's see how this one turned out. And then you unfold it. All of them kind of look like a mask. Let's see which one I'm going to do on this one this time. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Jingle Bells, Jingle Bells, Jingle Bells. A triangle shape. This kind of looks weird. See how I didn't cut all the way across on these? Because then the snowflake, there wouldn't really be a pattern on the snowflake if you cut it all the way across. Well, that's all the snowflakes. You can decorate your house for Christmas. Hang them up and decorate your house for Christmas if you want. Whenever you want to have an adventure, whenever you want to see an adventure time, follow us. And we will bring you joy and happiness. Merry Christmas! Happy Holidays to you, and everybody that watches this video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a snowflake mask. Today I'm going to show you how you make a mask. Mask. I'm going to show you how you make a snowflake mask.